Welcome back, friends. This is the next lecture wherein I will tell you how React.js uses ChatGPT to get the text translated. Okay, so I have already explained few chapters, few lectures to you, and this is the forthcoming chapter. Here I have quickly created, 3 language drop downs actually. This was very quick, and I have provided few options wherein you click here and it will go onto the text box so that you can send to the server and get some response. You see, so what I did here, it has clearly and very nicely given me the Hindi translation of this English text. So I have selected source language as English. I have selected destination language as Hindi. That means I want this bot to translate my prompt, whatever prompt I am sending here, write a tagline for an ice cream shop, to Hindi language. So it has very beautifully done this. Let's try something else also. And it is not a foolproof system, in fact, actually. And it all depends on what model you are using, what is the value of top_p, that is top probability, and also what is the value of your that one variable. The variable name is, I am not able to recollect actually. So and so sometimes it gives, you see, it has given the correct answer here. So I was talking about the temperature parameter. There are 2 parameters which are very, very important: temperature and top_p. And always remember, don't confuse like any other developers. Temperature and top_p, when they are 0, they will give you correct results. Otherwise, if they are, as soon as you start increasing them, it can go up to 1 actually, from 0, 0.1, 0.2 up to 1 actually, okay, in the 10 steps. And if you increase the value of top_p, it will give you the different results which may not match actually, okay. So it can try it, it takes more risk actually, okay. So don't get confused if the value is bigger and it will give you the correct answer actually. It is the vice versa, in fact. So this is the Hindi to English translation, or English to Hindi translation actually, okay. So it is not very very smart, but not because kahan paida hui thi, this English text kahan paida hui thi means it is considering Rajiv Gandhi as a female female person. That's what. So when I wrote where did male Rajiv Gandhi born, so he is saying Rajiv Gandhi kahan paida hua.